Hello, today we're going to be reviewing Newair's Windpro18w 18-inch wall fan. Stay tuned while I get this ready to unbox. While I'm unboxing this fan, I noticed it's heavy. The box is pretty thick and the fan is protected by a plastic bag. At the corners, it is also surrounded by styrofoam. As you can see, it is constructed out of metal. It has a wall mount so it doesn't take up valuable floor space. It has a sealed housing for the electronics, and the motor is also sealed to keep out damaging debris. It has a welded handle at the top, and on the sides it has a plastic molded adjusting handles that have steel nuts implanted. The blades are metal for powerful airflow. As packaged, this is what you get: a cement anchor, wall anchors, screws, and upholstery. I am glad they supplied screws to mount. However, I'm going to be using lag screws to mount mine with. So I'm drilling out the holes to accompany the size of the lag screws. Now, I'm using a smaller size drill bit to drill into the studs where I'm planning on installing the fan bracket. Next, I'm going to install the fan, and at this angle at the top, I had to use a ratchet and socket to install the top lag screw. Then I used the drill afterwards. After that, I plugged the fan in and test out the fan. It has 3 speeds, and boy does it power a lot of wind. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing. You can also follow me on these social medias. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, happy woodworking, and I'll see you all later.